Have you ever wondered how an item you order online arrives at your doorstep? This is the world of logistics. Logistics is simply the detailed coordination of a complex operation involving many people, facilities, or supplies. The logistics industry is massive, accounting for roughly 12% of global economic output according to industry estimates. It involves four main pillars: moving goods, storing them safely, tracking inventory, and finally getting those orders out to customers. While often used interchangeably, logistics is just one piece of the larger supply chain network that manages the entire life cycle. Transportation remains the largest expense for most companies, followed by the costs of keeping inventory in warehouses. When logistics works well, it is invisible. When it fails, shelves go empty and shipping delays become the news of the day. Understanding these systems helps you see the true cost of convenience. Subscribe for more breakdowns of how the modern world works.